Video 823, let's fucking go here. All right, let's get going. So down here in ArcGirl shader strings, we have shader source fragment number 8, which is our bomb Sir Josh shader. And we've added one more lookup table to the KHM prototyping data. So we're going to take a MIPMAP exponent and we're going to convert it to a diagonal offset to the tri-cluster of same size tile data. Directly beneath our graph paper rendering, we have a section dedicated to whether or not we have a Femi tile, and if we do have a Femi tile, we're going to try to render it. I added a little diagram tag to this code, but this code is the same as it was in the previous video, right? We're trying to get the top left origin of the KD7 cell. Okay, let's scroll down here. Here's where we're using that new lookup table to get the Femi dia, which is the diagonal offset to the current tri-cluster of data for our MIPMAP exponent. And then this formula is now finished. We now have added the diagonal offset to the data, and now we have the top left origin of our Femi336 tile. Fem origin X, Fem origin Y. Let's scroll down here. Okay, we already did the texture sampling in a previous video, right? And this is the luminosity of our Femi tile design. We'll do the compositing in another video. I keep on pushing this off. Okay, ArcGirl shader source fragment raw to preprocess. This is our preprocessor that takes a raw shader string and injects our lookup tables into it. So in our lookup table of arrays, we have the new lookup table right here. And then our lookup table of names, we have the name we want to refer to it in the shader code, which is the name we were looking at. And our lookup table of tokens, the injection site token is this, right? So when we see this in our shader, our preprocessor is going to replace it with the proper C99 code. Then the max index must be incremented from 40 to 41 because we've added a new entry to our paired lookup tables. Okay, what we did, where is it? What we did in this video. And then if you want a longer explanation, go here. You are here. Source code is right here. And there's ways of getting a hold of me down here. So, like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete fucking scratch. I am documenting every single goddamn fucking line of code. That's not a fucking joke. Like, subscribe, and follow if you want to see how to make a game engine or you just want to see where this is going. Like and subscribe.